Marami po sa inyo nag-iisip, mami, wala akong kapital. Alam niyo po, the best capital actually in the business is yourself. And the best business that you can actually brand is yourself. Ikaw yan. Kung magaling ka magluto, hanapin mo ngayon, ano ang isang mas higit na pangangailangan ngayon? Yun ang gawin mo. Ano yung problema? Ano yung isang niche market na pwede mong i-cater to? Ganyan kayo magnegosyo. Hindi dahil may nag-offer sa inyo, hindi dahil yumaman yung tita mo dito, doon ka rin pupunta. Wag. Hindi po ganyan ang pagnegosyo. You have to actually love it. You know, whatever situation that I am in right now, this is what I followed. Alam niyo po, my success is not overnight. It's actually a 25, 27 years in the making. I wasn't actually joining Puja and then biglang naging successful ako. Hindi po yan. Pero, tandaan nyo to, when you hit the right path, when you walk in the right path, that is actually designed to actually be for you, dapat happy ka dyan. Kasi pag hindi ka happy dyan, hindi mo kakayanin yan. Pagka masaya ka sa ginagawa mo, kada gising mo, ina-anticipate mong gawin yan.